family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you all how you can be able to shrink your fibroid. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Muna Chiokezie, and in my channel, I share a little bit of feminine hygiene, beauty, and a lot of tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy hair. Of course, you know that fibroid leads to hormonal imbalance, which could also affect our hair growth. What is fibroid? Fibroid is a non-cancerous growth in the uterus or in the womb that develops during a woman's childbearing years. And the cause of fibroid is not well understood, but there are some risk factors such as family lineage. If somebody has it in your family, then it's possible for you to have it. Also, early onset of puberty, obesity, and there are symptoms. We have symptoms like heavy bleeding, prolonged period, pelvic pain. Why some people don't even have any symptoms at all. But in this video, like I said, I'll be sharing with you all a very powerful recipe that will help clean your uterus, clear fallopian tube, and help you shrink that fibroid. And I've gotten a lot of amazing reviews on this recipe. Yes, many people have been giving reviews on this recipe, so I decided to share it all with you all, my family here on YouTube. So please do well to watch to the end of the video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video so that others too will see this video. Please do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on all my amazing tips and tricks that I'm going to be sharing on my channel. So guys, without further preambles, let's get started. So the first herb or ingredient we'll be using for this fibroid shrinkage recipe is going to be our negro pepper. Negro pepper is called Uda in Igbo language. Why it's called Eru Alamo in Yoruba language. Why the Akwa Ibomites call it Ate. This negro pepper has a whole lot of benefits in that it has anti-inflammatory properties. It's also packed with antioxidants. It helps with respiratory system diseases. It also helps to prevent or treat malaria. It also keeps rheumatism at bay and treats menstrual issues. So in this case now, we are going to be making use of 10 sticks of this Uda. 10 sticks of this Uda. If you are making a large quantity, like not a quantity for one person or two persons, then if you want to make it in large quantities that you'll be drinking for days, then you need 30 pieces of this Uda. The next herbs or spices on the list we are going to be using for our fibroid shrinking recipe is called the tetraplural tetraptera. And this tetraplural tetraptera is known as Osakarisa in Igbo language, while some parts of the Igbos call it Uhiokirihio. And the Calabars, they call it Uyayak, while some parts of the Calabars also call it Uwokiriwo. It's also called Aidon in Yoruba language and Dawo in Hausa language. And this herbs is used in tropical African traditional medicine for the management of ailments such as arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory conditions, diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and also epilepsy. It also contains potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and it also helps to strengthen our immune system. So these herbs is very good, one of the major ingredients when it comes to shrinking fibroid. Even if you don't have fibroid, using these herbs will also cure any other vaginal infection or any other bacterial infection that one has or sexual infection. It will clear it. Even your husband can use it. You can give it to your husband. It also boosts sperm counts. Then the next on the list we have is called the peppercorn or the black pepper. This black pepper is known as Uziza in Igbo language. It's also called Iyere in Yoruba language, and it is called Nkpasi Udusa by the Akwa Ibomites. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with arthritis issues. It also helps to treat asthma, It also helps to treat sinuses and menstrual pain. And it helps also to treat sexual drive. And it contains an active compound called pepperine, which may have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And it also helps to improve cholesterol level. Then the next we have on the list is our turmeric. Turmeric naturally reduces uterine fibroids. A study has shown that the curcumin from turmeric helps to inhibit the excessive growth of the uterine tissues, which aids in controlling uterine fibroids. It also fights against cancer, and it also alleviates premenstrual syndrome symptoms, and it also helps to reduce symptoms of arthritis. It also prevents diabetes and also keeps Alzheimer's at bay. So turmeric is one of the most important herbs that we need to use. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, and this will help you shrink fibroid and also work to help reduce other uterine infections. So for us to start, the first thing you need to do is to break the uhiokirihio into two parts. You break it into pieces. After breaking it, you make sure you wash it thoroughly. You can add salt to it and wash it thoroughly in clean water to remove the sand or any particles. This fibroid recipe is very good. I can swear by it. I've used it. It has helped me, and so many reviews on this fibroid shrinkage recipe. Sisters, you all need to try it. Even if you don't have fibroid, it will also help you with other UTI infection. You can also give it to your husband. If you drink this, it will clear your uterus. It will open your fallopian tube. You'll be able to have your babies. If you have been looking for a child for years, try this recipe. You will give birth to twins. That baby will come. It will shrink that fibroid that is blocking everywhere. So wash it thoroughly, like so. Clean it very well. So do not forget that this is called uhiokirihio or sakrisa. It's also called uyayak and idon in Yoruba language. So buy it. You can go to any market store or people who sell pepper soup spices. You can get this available from them. So after washing all the spices, you get a clean pot and then you add all the spices. I've added the sakrisa. I also went ahead to add the uda. Remember, I told you that we're going to be using 10 sticks for this recipe, but if you're doing a very large quantity, you use 30 sticks of uda. So after adding the uda, then we also add our uziza, which is also known as the peppercorn or the black pepper or yere in Yoruba language. You also add it into the pots, like so. Then we'll be adding our turmeric. I blended, or you can either blend the turmeric or use a grater. Grate the turmeric. So I actually grated the turmeric. I've added it now into the pot as well. So after adding it into the pot, then I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water into the pot. I'm using 2 cups of water. You can actually use 3 cups. It all depends on how long you want to drink it. I think I went ahead to add 1 more. Yes, I added 1 more, making it 3 cups of water for this recipe. And then, after I've added it, take it to the boil. Put on your heater and then put it on heat and allow it to boil for 45 minutes. Please, sisters, allow this fibroid shrinking drink to boil for 45 minutes. And do well to watch it while it's boiling. Stir consistently, keep watching it. This fibroid shrinking drink will shrink your fibroid. So it's boiling like so. You can see that the color has actually changed. 45 minutes now already. The herbs have been able to release all the wonderful ingredients in them into the water. So leave it to boil. Just keep checking it. 45 minutes. This drink will shrink your fibroid. So it will also help treat any UTI infection. It will treat it. Be it urinary tract infection, syphilis, whatever, and it will clear your womb. It will also clear your fallopian tube. It will help you give birth. It will help you give birth, shrink the fibroid. There have been so many reviews, so put it off. Amazing reviews, so many on this fibroid shrinking drink that I'm showing you people today. So taking off the heat, so we are going to allow it to cool down. After it has cooled down, then we are going to sieve it off in a cup. So we'll come back for that. We are going to be sieving it into a cup, like so. So sieve it into the cup. And do well to drink it while it is warm, not hot. Allow it to cool down a little bit, but do not drink it while it is cold. So please drink it while it is hot, while it is warm rather. Looks now, so it's ready to be taken, but make sure it gets cooled down before you take it. So if you take this consistently, I bet you the fibroid will shrink. Yes, it will help you shrink your fibroid. Many people have been getting amazing results with this recipe, so that is why I was moved and I decided to share this recipe with you all. So try to use this and let me know in the comment section if you will try it, and whenever you try it, also let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram at AfroliciousMuna. This will not only clear your fibroid, it's also good for infection. It clears fallopian tube. It also gets rid of cysts, whatever type of ovarian cyst it is, infection, toilet infection, fibroid, it will get it off. So thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. See you all in the next video. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. So thank you all so much for watching. Bye.